I'm going to tell you about the top 5 mistakes that federal employees make when dealing with the EEO office. And just to be clear, none of this is legal advice. These are just pointers to consider if you're thinking about filing an EEO case. My name is Kyle Ingram, and I've been representing federal employees for the past 6 years. One of the most common mistakes that I see is that the employee is not filed within the first 45 days after the discriminatory event. The regulations require that federal employees file within the first 45 days. Are there exceptions? Sure. But for most people, 45 days is the limit. Not meeting deadlines is the easiest way to get an EEO case dismissed. The second common mistake is not recognizing EEO retaliation when it occurs. Retaliation occurs when management takes action against EEO whistleblowers. Blowing the whistle in the EEO context usually means that you've either gone to the EEO counselor, participated in somebody else's investigation, or that you've complained to management about discrimination in the workplace. EEO whistleblowers are protected under federal law. How do you know if management is retaliating against you? Ask yourself, was it this way before I went to the EEO office? What has changed? Since when did my performance get worse? Why didn't somebody bring this up with me before now? A third common problem that employees face when going to the EEO office is lack of documentation. Many employees have won or lost their cases based on whether or not they have kept documentation of what was going on. Keeping documentation is the best way to preserve the facts of what actually happened. The fourth mistake, many employees wait for the EEO office to take action. There are many well-meaning people who serve as EEO counselors. However, they are not empowered to take any action on your behalf. Once you realize that discrimination or harassment is happening, get the attention of somebody who can do something about it. If it's a coworker, talk to his supervisor. If it's your supervisor, think about going over her head. Talking truth to power is the only way that we're going to eliminate discrimination. Fifth and finally, one of the most common problems that I see with federal employees who've gone to the EEO office is that they haven't talked to a lawyer early enough. I'm not saying hire an attorney right now, but getting a little advice from an attorney can help you improve your chances of success in the long run. When you do talk with an attorney, talk with somebody who's been down this road before.